Former Prime Minister of Pakistan Imran Khan, who has been illegally incarcerated now for 534 days, says he will not make a political deal for his release from prison. Mr. Khan was convicted on Friday by a controversial regime appointed judge in a frivolous case prolonging his incarceration. Speaking to his lawyers and members of the media inside Adiala jail, Mr. Khan said, quote, no matter how many cases they file against me, I will face them in courts through the power of justice and not through deals like Nawaz Sharif or Zardari. I would rather stay in jail than seek any deal, unquote. There have been over 180 cases filed against Mr. Khan by the military and its government since the overthrowing of his government in a soft coup almost 3 years ago. Mr. Khan reiterated during his media interaction that his party will not budge from the demand of a judicial commission to investigate the killing of unarmed peaceful protesters by the government on May 9, 2023 and November 26, 2024. Victims of the Islamabad massacre and their families continue to await justice 55 days later. 14 pro-democracy protesters were killed and over 100 sustained bullet injuries, with dozens still missing. Independent journalists have reported that hospital records detailing the actual number of people shot during the military-style operation in the heart of Islamabad are being concealed, raising fears that those missing may in fact be dead. Survivors recovering from their injuries are also recounting horrifying accounts of indiscriminate live ammunition fired at them as they marched for democracy.
रात को 10
तो
बजे
रात
से
में
साढ़े 10
आपको
बजे
रात में गोली लगी थी?
जी, 10:30 बजे का टाइम था।
ओके, रात 10:30
तो
बजे।
जिन्ना
ओके, ठीक
अस्पताल
है।
ले गए थे, उधर पट्टी किए थे, लेकिन वो कह रहे थे कि ये सरकारी केस है, हम आपको इलाज नहीं कर सकते। और प्राइवेट अस्पताल था, तो फिर उधर से एम्बुलेंस वाले हमको 11-22 वाले लेकर गए थे जिना अस्पताल। जिना अस्पताल वाले उसको कह रहे थे, मेरे साथ कोई नहीं था, मैं अकेला था एम्बुलेंस में। वो कह रहे थे कि कौन सा लवारिस लाश को इधर ले आए तुम लोग। पहले तो 11-22 को बहुत डांटा एम्बुलेंस वाले को। फिर हमारा इलाज नहीं कर रहे, कह रहे थे को एक एक्सरा करो और दूसरा एक्सरा करो। तकरीबन मेरा ऑपरेशन 2 बजे तक था। 2 बजे के बाद मेरा ऑपरेशन हुआ। मैंने तो साथ खुद किया, मेरे साथ कोई नहीं था। तो फिर 2 बजे के बाद हमारा ऑपरेशन हुआ। उसके बाद हमारे 3 दिन तक हमारे साथ पुलिस वाले बैठे थे, कह रहे थे कि तुम दिशतगर्द हो, तो तुम नहीं जा सकते। हमारा आईडी कार्ड सब कुछ वो ले गए थे।
As Pakistan's federal military government and its intelligence agencies continue their internal political maneuvers, PTI's Khyber Pakhtunkhwa government, concerned about the security situation in the province, is sending a delegation to Afghanistan for peace talks. Chief Minister of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Ali Amin Gandapur, stated during an interaction with members of the media, said, quote, we have to play our part for peace. We want to solve all our issues through dialogue. In the next 2 weeks, I will send a provincial delegation to Afghanistan, unquote. Pakistan and Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province specifically has witnessed the highest number of terrorism-related casualties in years. Donald Trump was sworn in as the 47th president Monday, promising a quote-unquote revolution of common sense and taking charge as Republicans assume unified control of Washington and set out to reshape the country's institutions, according to the Associated Press. Trump, who overcame impeachments, criminal indictments, and a pair of assassination attempts to win another term in the White House, will act swiftly after the ceremony, with executive orders already prepared for his signature to clamp down on border crossings, increase fossil fuel development, and end diversity and inclusion programs across the federal government. On foreign policy, many who voted for him are hoping he will act on his promise to end the war in Ukraine, enforce the ceasefire in Gaza, to stop the genocide of Palestinians by the occupying Israeli forces, and pressure dictatorial regimes such as the one in Pakistan to end human rights violations.